on the gate, but I didn't get it in the hole.
Good morning. Another beautiful fall day. A little bit of rain yesterday, but it's nice today, a little breezy, but we'll be working on the back side of the barn out of the wind, giving booster shots to the calves so that they'll be ready to go to the market, to the sales barn. So everybody's going to get 3 shots, boosters, from the shots we gave them 3 weeks ago. Well, we're ready to start moving the calves around. I can't imagine they're going to go as easy this time as they did last time, because they probably remember they got poked in the neck. But we'll see how it goes. Go, buddy. I can't believe how relaxed he is. Let's go all the way up. Come on. Get a board in behind him so I don't get squished. Good heavens, you got him already? You know what, I'm still going to close the gate behind him.
Ike's his brain. Hey, buddy, you gotta get your neck off. Hey. Yeah, that one hurts.
So you think this one's a keeper for...
I think this is a keeper. I'm gonna put a K behind him. He's a keeper, maybe.
All right. Come on, buddy, you've had enough rain. Get back out with your brothers. Pooping. Fresh cow poop. Come on, buddy.
More step.
Good job.
Easy, buddy. Easy.
Go out in the sunshine. There, booster shots for the calves. We're tired, ready for a lunch break. We've got a situation where we've had water inflow into the floor of the barn because of years of rainfall driving down the front edge of the barn. So it allows the water to flow back toward the bound foundation. I'll show you. So you can see the height of the barn here and a very steep lower roof line of this hip ridge barn. And then when you look down to the base, you can see where the rain drops off the roof edge and has slowly driven the ground here up against the base of the barn down. So much so, and it's kind of hard to see on camera, but water flows back against the base of the barn. Here's what the damage looked like with the foundation shifting we'd had, and this had been going on for 5 years very slowly, and it was really looking pretty broken up by the time we got around to doing repairs. We had a repair crew come in last year and straighten up the windows, the casement, and the door, and back plaster all the original stone. You see, we haven't put the trim boards back yet. We needed to raise the dirt line here, so unfortunately I did not get this on camera, but you see now in this section we've brought up the grade so that water coming down off the roof line will hit this ground and run away from the foundation. Underneath the dirt we've placed, which is over 18 inches up from the original grade, we've placed plastic and then drain tiles. This one daylight's here. So our hope is, as the heavy rains come, the water will flow around this corner and then down this slope away from the foundation of the barn. Today's project is to enhance the flow by putting gutters along this lower roof line. So you can see we had to add extensions underneath the rafters in order to get enough drop so that the water runs. Tap it 1/4 inch. Okay, hold it. There. Okay, wait 1 second. Now we have to figure out how to attach this downspout to release the water down this hill. There. Gutters on the barn to improve water flow. In the spring, we'll need to plant grass, maybe even oats on this dirt so it firms up to minimize erosion. You can see just a little bit of rain we've had has already made a trench there. So that'll be in the spring, but for now, for the fall rains and for the early spring, that's protecting the barn. Well, if you're a kitty, this is the best place to be on a sunny day. Behind the window, out of the wind, but in the sun.